Does your Mercedes-Benz W204 have the D1S bulb that is completely out on that side and on this side, and they look like this? Let me show you how to replace the bulbs, but not just the bulbs, the actual ballasts themselves that go underneath the headlight, which actually control the range and the adaptive headlights part of the lighting system. So your modules look like this. Here's the part number. That's your brand new module. So we are going to replace the bulbs and the modules, and we'll show you guys exactly how to do that. So first you're going to take off both of the wheels, and you're going to get access to the fender liner. Once you remove the fender liner, you got your ballasts underneath, and your bulbs are right inside over, well, right inside there. All you got to do is take out the cover, and there'll be a D1S bulb. You just unscrew it, put it in. So we're going to show you guys how to do that right now. So once you guys have the fender liner off and the screws underneath, they are 10 millimeter like those. There's two of them that hold the bumper to the fender. Then basically you just need to loosen the bumper so that you can unscrew this one, unscrew that one right there, this one. Then behind the bumper there is one kind of right over there. I'll show you guys on the other side. And then there's one on the inside. Where is it? There's one on the inside, and then the headlight will come out, and then we'll be able to replace the bulb and the headlight module. It's pretty straightforward. We'll show you guys once we get there. Then you get the headlight out. Make sure you disconnect the plug. If you have a headlight washer system, remove that one, and then grab your module and bring it over to your headlight. You get your what is this, T20 or T15?
20.
T20s, remove those, and then take out your old ballast and replace it with the new one. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to find out if everything works. We haven't gotten any error lights so far. See, it says 0 messages, so we're about to turn on the headlights, and let's see if everything works. Yeah, let's go. It works. $16 AliExpress modules and headlight bulbs. They work. Everybody thought that they were gonna laugh at me, but the funny thing is, now I'm laughing at you all. There we go. Everything works, no messages, and we have high beams. Let's go. This is amazing. All right, that's what I'm talking about. And there it is, the C63 AMG headlights now work. We have low beams, we have high beams. This is freaking amazing. I am so happy. Let me show you guys the high beams. That's the brightness of the high beams difference. I am so happy. I cannot believe that these $16 AliExpress D1S bulbs and the modules actually work. So guess what? Now I get to laugh at all of you. It worked. Mercedes-Benz pricing was a scam, and AliExpress China came in clutch. This is freaking amazing. Let's go. I am so happy right now. Yes. Boom. There we go. Everything works. All right, let's shut off the car and go celebrate with some Domino's pizza. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.